Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will share a very quick unboxing video of our new Samsung side-by-side fridge. We will give a small overview as well. And also we got a small dent in the side. We will talk more about this in the video. So let's check it out. So yeah, that's all. We tried our best to record without disturbing the technician. We will get the bill attached to the box, and in a small cover we will get this user manual, this one, and also we will get a spanner to adjust the screws at the bottom for proper leveling. We got this fridge from the Samsung official website. This is also available on Amazon. We will share a product link in the description. You can check it out after watching this video if you're interested. You can also check the model number there, exact model number. This is the 3-star 653 liter and black DOI color model. I don't know what DOI stands for. Please let me know in the comments if you know that. They have other colors like stainless steel, inox, black glass, white glass, etc. Even for black, for some fridge models they have black DOI, matte black, lux black, etc. But this color overall looks great for me. I wish they made this side black as well, but this is a different gray color. At the back side we get a small noticeable sound, but not very annoying so far. That's because how the machine works. For the back part we have to leave some space. The technician said we have to leave some space, at least 4 fingers gap, so we have to keep that in mind. This is actually pretty big. We earlier used a Samsung double door fridge, and this is the first time we are shifting to side-by-side model. Being big is great, but it is a problem too. Transportation and delivery will be hectic if you are not in the ground floor and if you don't have lift support. Around 4 guys carried this, and even though they tried their best, we still got this dent on the side. I'm not sure if my camera can capture this properly because it's a very minor one. I'll take a photo and share it with you. It took around a week for the product delivery. The technician came same day itself and unboxed it. That's when we saw this small dent. He told me we can initiate a return because of this issue, but it will definitely take time. Since it is not really that noticeable, we decided to keep it. This is partially my fault because I should have calculated the weight and our staircase length, but I didn't do that. Samsung also provides the option to manually remove the doors just in case if this is big for your entrance. We can do that. Anyway, I'll just put a small sticker there and I will forget about this in the next few weeks. But the lesson here is always record the unboxing and make sure that you do that in full bright light. We have to switch on all the possible lights so that we can even find the small dents and scratches. If we find any, we can tell that to the Samsung technician before he activates the warranty. So let's open the fridge now. The door attachment is decently strong, which is good to avoid the kids opening this all the time. We should also be careful because our fingers can get stuck inside, so we just have to make sure we open it properly. This is the side-by-side model. So this is it. This is the freezer side, which should be around 200 liters, and this is the fridge side, which is around 400 liters. We will add all the items tonight and we will show that in our full review. That's all. Also, one more thing. We got the wine rack in this model, this one, and we also have the ice maker tub, this one. I saw some Amazon comments where they said they didn't get this, and we got this for our model. So these are the compartments inside our Samsung side-by-side fridge. We will add all the products soon and it will be completely full. And we got this digital display here, this side. Here we can adjust the temperature. We also have support for AI Energy and SmartThings Wi-Fi app. I love this color. Samsung says this is the black DOI color and we can add our favorite magnet accessories. We can do that. It is pretty strong. And this is also magnet part. So we can add all sorts of magnet accessories. We get minor reflections and fingerprints. A reminder to keep our hands clean no matter what we do. And it is always and always better to see the product directly in the showroom before placing the order online. Online images will have professional lighting, so we won't be able to see the exact product color. We have the standard plug here. Honestly, I thought for a fridge this size we need a heavy duty or power socket, but this one works fine. So this is our new Samsung side-by-side fridge. We will publish a series of videos related to this. Please do subscribe if you are interested. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Have a wonderful day and night.